In this video, I will show you exactly how to transform a blurry photo into a crystal clear masterpiece using the image restoration tools found within Adobe Express. We have all been in that frustrating situation where we capture the perfect moment only to find out later that the focus was slightly off or the camera moved. Thankfully, you do not need to be a professional graphic designer to fix this common problem because the developers at Adobe have made the process incredibly intuitive for everyone. To get started, you simply need to have your project open and your image visible. First, you should select your blurry photo directly on the canvas, which will immediately prompt the editing menu to appear on the side of your screen. Once this menu is open, your next step is to click on the Adjust icon, which is represented by a set of sliders. After you enter this specific menu, you will see a variety of different enhancement options ranging from brightness and contrast to saturation and highlights. You will need to scroll down through these various settings until you find the adjustment slider specifically labeled as blur. It is very likely that your photo has a positive blur value if it is looking fuzzy. To fix the issue, your task is to simply drag that slider all the way to the left to reduce the blur to 0. As you do this, you will notice the pixels beginning to snap back into sharp alignment, and the details of your subject will start to pop out with much more clarity. It is honestly amazing how much of a difference this one simple adjustment can make to the overall quality of your visual content. Once you are happy with the results, you can continue with the rest of your design work knowing that your primary image is now looking its absolute best and ready for the world to see. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial today, and I hope this helps you create amazing projects.